Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Are you noticing that your PlayStation 5 isn't quite looking as sharp as it should? Maybe the picture seems a little blurry, or the colors just aren't popping. Don't worry, many people experience this, and it's usually an easy fix. This quick guide will help you troubleshoot common resolution problems, ensuring your gaming experience is vibrant and clear, just like it's meant to be. We'll go through everything step by step. Before diving into any complex settings, let's start with the basics. First, make sure your HDMI cable is securely plugged into both your PlayStation 5 and your TV or monitor. A loose connection or even a faulty cable can often cause resolution problems. Also, double-check that your TV is on the correct HDMI input and that its picture mode isn't set to something like power saving, which might limit resolution. These simple checks can often fix the issue right away. Now, let's look directly at your PlayStation 5's internal settings. From the home screen, go up to the gear icon for settings, then choose Screen and Video. Under Video Output, you'll find the Resolution option. Make sure this is set to automatic or manually select the highest resolution your TV supports, such as 2160 pixels. If you're using a 4K TV and seeing issues, try setting the 4K video transfer rate to -1 or -2. This often resolves compatibility glitches. If the basic adjustments don't work, we can try some more advanced steps. First, within Screen and Video settings, look at the HDCP option. Occasionally, disabling HDCP can resolve display issues, though it might prevent you from playing certain protected content. Another powerful tool is Safe Mode, which lets you change resolution or rebuild the database. Finally, always keep your PlayStation 5 system software updated. Updates frequently include crucial display compatibility fixes. If you've tried all these steps and still aren't getting that sharp picture, consider testing your PlayStation 5 on a different TV to isolate the problem. Sometimes, a specific display or an older HDMI cable can be the bottleneck. Investing in a certified high-speed HDMI 2.1 cable can also make a big difference for 4K displays. If all else fails, reaching out to PlayStation support is your best next step. Hopefully, this guide helped you enjoy your games in stunning clarity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.